What's up, everyone? Currently on a flight to Miami. Gonna hang out there for a few days, playing in a charity event, a golf tournament on Mondays. Gonna show you guys my weekend in Miami. You get to be one of my close friends as well. Looking forward to kind of sharing more about that. Do a little live trading with you guys on Tuesday as well. So yeah, it should be an interesting weekend and look forward to sharing more. This past week was actually pretty crazy in the market too. First week of January is done. Ended up making about $900,000 in profit the first week of the year, which is crazy. All right, guys, we are in Miami Airport now, and we're gonna get picked up by one of my old friends. My friend's condo now. You're in South Beach. It's about sunset right now. There's a Virgin cruise leaving. Visiting Miami, gonna play in the charity golf event on Monday. Visiting one of my friends. He actually came to one of my first meetups in Vegas. We've been friends now for about 7 years. I think going on 8 years. I'm gonna go out to dinner tonight, Papi Steak. All right, guys, this is my friend Michael.
Hola. These are all electric bikes.
Okay.
We're going to cruise Ocean Avenue tomorrow and do bike.
All right, we're going to Papi Steak now. Just finished up at Papi Steak. Just finished up some work here. We're out here in Miami. Just have my little mobile station set up here. I'm at my friend's condo right now. Let me show you guys. Out here in South Beach. He's like right on the inlet. It's January 11th right now. We're gonna go ride bikes down this inlet in a bit. Big renovation on it. This like granite, it all lights up. It's pretty sick. South Beach is like down there. We're gonna go ride some bikes there in a bit. This is the inlet where all the cruise ships come in and out of. This is a sick condo. I mean, it's right on the edge here. So I'm basically playing a charity event tomorrow for the police. I'm gonna be playing at the Trump International course. I think it's in Palm Beach, but I'll find out tomorrow. I'll record a video and show you guys. To start off the year, it's been an amazing year. Very grateful, but I'm gonna stay on my toes leading up to next week. Making about 900 grand in 9 days. That's a lot, even for me. Gonna make sure I don't give back a lot of the profits this week. Gonna play more cautious. Really grateful though, is being able to travel like this and spend time with people that matter. It's a blessing. There's a Versace mansion. So we're on Ocean Ave. Right there, that's the Versace mansion where he got killed. Yeah, we're riding these bikes, electric bikes right now. All right, back on Ocean Ave, having like a vintage car show here. All right, we're gonna go grab some lunch now. Beach is to the right. All right, guys, we are gonna go eat in the Versace mansion right now. All right, we are entering the mansion now. We just got to the Trump course here at Planoff 2. It's like a really nice course here. All right, guys, we're inside. All right, guys, getting ready to tee off in a bit here. I guess Nick Saban is going to be right in front of us. See if I can get some footage of him playing while we're teeing off. All right, we are off to the first hole now. We got drinks up hole. So we're playing this scramble today, and just want to show you guys, do a little day trading. See you guys, I'm up 232,000 while playing golf here at Trump for the charity event. Market's ripping. I think NQ wants to go to 26.4. So let's see what happens.
Mr. Brando Lee.
All right, so they do a silent auction here. They got the Yankees, rings, Mike Tyson signs. All right, guys. Trump is all over the walls. All right, what's up, everyone? So today's January 13th. It's Tuesday now. Yesterday I was at that charity golf event at Trump course in West Palm Beach. Yeah, we were there like all day. I mean, we left at 9 a.m. We got back at 10 p.m. Super long day, but a lot of fun. Recorded what I could. After the 18 holes, they did a nice dinner, and then they started the actual charity event where they did auctions. They did silent auctions, giveaways. It was really cool to see. Right, there was the Attorney General for the Southern District was there too. Some people from PVD podcast were there. They're at the table next to me. Also, my good friend Scott Redler. I don't know if you know him. You guys know him from X and CNBC, but he was at my table. Really solid guy. You guys should follow him on X if you want to follow someone that's really good at technical analysis. CPI data just got released. Yeah, market tried to pop higher on it. Got to 629, dropped almost 2 points points now. So let's see if the dip gets bought up. But overall, I mean, stocks are holding up quite well here. Seeing some gap up, rotation back into tech. Let's see if the market can continue to rip higher here. You see this level from yesterday on QQQ? It needs to get back above there. To close above 629, you'll see it rip. And then SPX is going to approach that 7,000 level in the next 2 days probably. And if it gets through 7,000, then we'll probably see a run to 7,100. Leaving Miami today, later today around 4. And we're gonna head back to Vegas. Got a lot of work to do. A lot of plans coming up for the next few weeks. Rainy day today, very, very cloudy. It's kind of raining yesterday a little bit too when we were playing. The area where we played was more inland too, so not quite as much rain and wind as you see here in Miami. We'll see what happens. I'll share more of me trading in a bit. When the market opens, just gonna prep for now. All right, guys, we have about 4 minutes until the market open. Got Discord ready, got my charts ready. Watching to see if QQQ gets to the 629. This is a big level, right? You're seeing strength in Oracle here. SanDisk again, MU, Tesla's gapping up. Market looks like it's got a shot to rip. So let's see. AVGO's gapping higher as well. Tesla's gapping up here, like I said. See, this one can start to run. UNH gapping up here. NBIS, a little bit of a gap. But yeah, I'm watching to see if QQQ gets through. If it does, I'm gonna jump in this. I trade on my phone a lot. I mainly trade on my phone. For me, I find it easier. Look at the January 15th calls for QQQ here. 2 days out. SanDisk gapping up here. It's almost at 400 pre-market. Meta's up a little, about 3 points or 2.5 points pre-market too. Some volatility here. QQQ just dropped about almost a point. Apple's still under 260. Dips again bought up a little bit here on QQQ. These calls are interesting for a Friday 6:30 call. All right, so we picked up the QQQ 6:30 call at 298. So up a little right now, but you want to see if this thing can break out. We picked up 70 contracts, so about a $22,000 position here, expiring on Friday. So let's see if they rip it. 629 is a big level, so I'm not sure if it's going to get through, but if it does, then we should see a run to 637. Let's see if it breaks out here. As you guys see SanDisk, how much it dropped. Got right near 400 and then dipped almost 20 points. MU weak again today. Well, weak today. Got to 351 and then dropped 11 points. OKLO, super volatile too. So we are in QQQ though. Let's see if it gets to 629. Some strength here in Apple. Coinbase, AVGO today. AMD's running. Crypto's running as well. So let's see if we can get some type of breakout here. Be back in a bit. Just gonna sit and watch here, guys. I'll share more once we see more movement here in the market. All right, guys. So QQQ is right at 629 here. It's trying to break out through it. Let's see if it gets through. You see Apple leading today. Weakness here in these names: SDNK. Sorry, so that kind of crooked. SDNK, Micron, Goldman Sachs lower here. But let's see if it can break out here. 629. All right, what's up, everyone? So it's 11:24 a.m. Eastern time. Right, almost 2 hours into the day, and yeah, not much going on, right? We saw QQQ test at 629, reject, and then drop down to 624, and now it's at 620, 620. So it's trying to move red to green here, but overall just consolidation day, not really much to do. Bitcoin and Ethereum are holding up really well today, so let's see if these two can actually make a breakout and finally get to 100,000 for Bitcoin. But yeah, not much to show you guys. Just kind of chilling, just waiting for the market to move. I think later this week we might see another push to the upside. But yeah, not every day is full of amazing trades. Sometimes you just got to be patient and wait for better opportunities. I'm gonna grab lunch in a bit and then head on my flight back to Vegas soon. So yeah, hope you guys like this type of content, and we'll be providing more in the future. All right, talk soon, everyone. Thanks.